and how cool is it to build and fly RC planes? And this is a super nice airplane. Top view, side view, back view, bottom view, front view. This is a totally awesome plane. It's just beautiful in the sky and it's a really nice size. The only real downside to this plane is the insignificant landing gear. It's just been nothing but trouble for us because you can see how wimpy it is. We've had to keep it a lot. But otherwise, the plane just flies beautifully and it's just like an angel in the sky. We tend to do a lot of different things with our airplanes. And we want to carry different loads on our airplanes. And for example, we just finished flying a camera out front on this arrow, on these two arrows. By flying a camera, it really can affect the CG. And this airplane has really been designed for that. As you can see in here, there's lots of room to move the battery around. For example, the battery can be all the way down here, or all the way up here. And then we flew the camera up and we had the battery all the way back here, and I'll show you, like that. And that worked great. It's just really easy to put the weight up front. So when you build airplanes or buy them, you want to look for design features like this. Because this is really designed well, the Dynam engineers did a great job. So great job to you, Dynam engineers. Woo! Special thanks to you! The Jolly Rancher FA-18 is designed like that, but not quite as good. You've got a lot of room to move that battery around and affect the CG. So this is another well-designed airplane. If you can compare this to the Blue Angel FA-18, the Blitz RC, they just have a carriage and there's not even enough room to move the battery like an inch. So you're going to have trouble changing the CG on this airplane. So this Blitz one will be less flexible than the Jolly Rancher. This is something to consider when you're buying and building airplanes. Being able to move your CG around with your battery will give you more flexibility to have fun with your airplane. Go fly and stick things on your plane, anything, have fun, RCDOX, woo!